Greetings everyone, it's Michael Anastasiadis here from Bosanoff Mortgages Made Easy, coming to you live this afternoon or this morning from Disneyland here in Paris, just with your weekly mortgage and interest rate update. So no change from the interest rates I've been sharing with you guys for, it feels like most of this year so far, with that 6-month rate still around 6.95 and the 1-year rate 6.85 and the 18-month rate at 6.65. So no real changes in interest rates, and like I've been saying all along, I don't think we're going to see any changes in interest rates for some time yet. Maybe at the end of the year, but that'll be dependent on a few more things getting ugly, things like unemployment going up, the economy performing worse, which isn't good. But that's what the Reserve Bank will be looking at before they can, along with of course the interest rate, the CPI, inflation being well within that 1 to 3% band of around 2%. I think once we get those unemployment numbers up, that inflation definitely in that 1 to 3% band, and the economy still tracking downwards, I think that's when we might start to see the brake lifted and some interest rate cut relief from the Reserve Bank. But geez, I wouldn't be expecting that until at least the end of the year, maybe early next year. So, but like I do every week, I'll update you guys. The next OCR review is next week, so I'll give you an update live on that once we hear what they have to say next week. I've had a few clients put in offers on properties this week. Some have had them accepted, so that's great. Good news for those first home buyers. Some of these guys have been looking for 6 to 8 months, so it does take a while, you know, in this market. Usually this time of year there's not that many new listings that come on, so you know, it takes a while. But if you stick at it, like I say to my clients, and I've got you the finance and you're willing and you're looking for a property, most people do find one eventually. So I still think it's a good time to buy, especially if you can afford the interest rates, and I can of course get you approval from the bank. Very good time to buy, and then it's just a matter of finding your right house, because at one stage we do know once the interest rates start to come down incrementally, there'll be more and more people that'll come back in the market, and as there's more and more people coming back in, those properties will get swept up. Another thing that I've got to mention, end of the school term this week, so if you'll see from next week, I mean, the response times from the banks are a little bit slow at the moment, but they'll be even more delayed coming next week. So factor that in if you're looking to put in an offer. Make sure you've spoken to someone like myself so you can know, you know, you're going to have a finance condition if you don't already have a pre-approval, because it will take some time to... Hi Kritesh, hi everyone that's watching, good to see you all. And yes, I'm here in Paris, Disneyland. Behind me you can see this is the Marvel Hotel, and if I walk a little bit over this way you can see where I'm staying over here. Beautiful Newport Bay Club complex here at Disney, because there's nothing else really to stay at around here. But anyway, enough of that. So look, yeah, banks are taking a little bit of time to reply to new applications, so you're going to have a finance condition factored in there unless you're not already pre-approved. Like I always say, if you're thinking of getting pre-approved, yes, I am away, but the team can get it together and I can review it and have a Zoom call you so we can order. Anyway, guys, I'm going to sign off. I'll be coming to you live from another beautiful European location in the next few days. If you've got any questions, put them in the comments and I'll get to those. And again, if you've got an interest rate coming up for renewal, again, definitely get in touch so we can make sure you are getting the best deal from your bank. Hope you guys have a good afternoon, good evening, and I'll leave you to it from Paris. God bless you all.